SolidWorks 2015. In this video lecture, we are going to learn how to extrude a text. So let's start our video. So first select the top plane. In previous video or in our basic for beginners, we just learned to how to text in rectangle, circle and many other things. But in this video, we are going to learn how to extrude a text in a 3D object on 3D object. We already use in our previous lectures like in bus and other things, but it's too long to watch that, so we are creating a short video to simply learn. So simply create a create a rectangle and extrude this. The dimension is 10 mm is okay. Now select this plane, edit, normal to. Now we can't write directly on this. We have to first make a center line. Just see. While you getting, we cannot select the plane. If we select this line, the text will be written on this part only. So we have to first select the center line, and you can select where you want to use. I am choosing a center. Okay. Exit. Now we are going to write a text. I am going to select this line. Line selected. MK Vashish production. All good. We are going to make it center. Select this. Make bold and italic. Give it your own font. You can give the distance between two words and this, and click on the font. Select the bold. Give it to 5 mm. Okay. Yeah, 5 mm is okay. Tick. What we are going to do now is extrude this text. Extrude. See, this was the text come out. Now we are going to give it a 3 mm, or yeah, 3 mm is okay because the rectangle is of 10 mm, so more is quite looking bad. So see, here is a tile and this is extrude world, and there is written MK Vashish production. Similar way, now we can see that whether we can extrude the same text or not. Just we are extrude this and the text will extrude it. Now we can see that whether the text will be come in extrude cut or no. So delete this. Okay. Now sketch to select and click on extrude cut. No, we can't extrude this. Extrude cut. We can't use the extrude cut option. Okay. I think previously there is something wrong. Take. Okay, we can extrude it too. Extrude cut. We can use simple extrude cut also with the same feature. I am going to make it complete through all. Through all. Okay. See, our body is complete extruded. Extrude cut it. So this is a simple way to learn how to extrude a text or give the extrude cut tool. Thank you.